Guess the meaning of the following words. Waterlogged, so full of water that it cannot hold anymore. Flooded. Postponed, arranged for an event, game, etc. to take place at a later time. Novel, new. Barefoot, without wearing shoes or socks or anything on the feet. Fruitless, producing no useful result. Pounced, moved suddenly forward in order to attack. Name the following hosts of the 1936 Olympic Games. Germany. Ruler of Germany. Hitler. Not comfortable with the wet ground. Indian team. Scored the first goal in the match. Roop Singh. Did not let the passes go waste. Players in the D. Captain of the Indian team. Dhyan Chand. Pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. German goalkeeper. Third time winners of the Olympic gold medal for hockey. Indian team. Find out how the following games are played. Lawn tennis. Played on a rectangular court with a net in the middle. Players use a racket to hit the ball over the net, aiming to make it land in the opponent's court. Points are scored when the opponent fails to return the ball successfully. Table tennis, also known as ping pong. It's played on a table with the net in the middle. Players use small paddles to hit a lightweight ball back and forth, aiming to score points by making the ball bounce twice on the opponent's side. Kabaddi, a team sport involving two teams. A raider from one team enters the opponent's half, attacks as many defenders as possible, and tries to return to his side. The defenders must try to stop the raider while chanting Kabaddi and holding hands. Kho-Kho, a traditional Indian sport played between two teams. One team sits in a row and the other sends a chaser to tag players from the seated team. Players must evade the chaser by running and changing directions without crossing the boundaries. Hockey, a team sport played on a field with two goals. Players use curved sticks to hit a small ball into the opponent's goal. The objective is to score more goals than the opposing team within the given time. Football, also known as soccer. It is played on a rectangular field with goals on each end. Two teams compete to score goals by kicking a ball into the opponent's net using any part of their body except their hands and arms (goalkeeper allowed). Badminton, played on a rectangular court with a net in the middle. Players use a racket to hit a shuttlecock back and forth, aiming to make it land in the opponent's court. Points are scored when the opponent fails to return the shuttlecock successfully. Read the highlighted words. They are verbs. The goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. Now find at least 5 other verbs from the passage. Awarded, returned, had adopted, was offering, reigned, etc. Use the following phrases in your own sentences. Be sure of. I was sure of doing well in the exams. Try one's level best. One must try one's level best to win a match. At any cost. We were told by our coach to win the match at any cost. Turned down the offer. My neighbor turned down my offer of help.